Small team, big benefits. Today, we're going to talk about why health insurance matters for businesses under 25 employees. So for large companies of 50 or more employees, it's easy for them. They qualify for group health plans. They have to, by law, offer health insurance, a group health insurance plan that the whole company has. They have to offer that to their employees, and they have to pay half. So a lot of times it's easier for them, even though it's more expensive, just because they're kind of bound by those rules. But where I find small business owners to be a little bit more in the dark is with smaller businesses, like less than 20 people. Let's say like the group plan, although there are group plans that are available, a lot of times they're very expensive and they don't work really well for smaller groups because they're very dependent on enrollment. So if you have a smaller group of people, let's say 15 people, and half of them need the insurance and half of them don't, and then a couple of the employees are going to go to their spouse's insurance or something like that, you're going to have issues with enrollment. And so one of these group health plans is just not going to work for you. You're not going to be able to get that secured in place for your business. And so a lot of business owners might just give up at that point, and they might just let the employee know, look, go to the marketplace or do something like that. But really, if you're a small business, and there's other ways that you can help your employees. There's other ways that you can actually offer them that benefit that does not involve a group health plan or just like completely ignoring it. So a lot of my small business clients, when they come to me, they have instructed their employees to go to the marketplace, and they'll pay for the insurance plan on the marketplace that they choose. And they're thinking with marketplace, okay, well, they don't make that much money. Let's say they have a family of 3 or 4, and they qualify for a government subsidy. And so, okay, that's going to be a cheaper plan, and the employer can just pay for it. Wrong. It's actually against the law, and you cannot do this as an employer. And also, the employee cannot take a subsidy on a marketplace plan if the employer, you, is actually paying for it. So, because in reality, that's like being subsidized twice. So the government gives you a subsidy to offset the cost, but then if you're paying for it as the employer, that's not allowed. And so a lot of people don't know that. And so if your employees would be on the marketplace and you're paying for it, then you're going to be paying full price. So when it comes to the marketplace is pretty expensive, except for maybe some of the lower tier plans that are not the greatest quality. And so if you have an employee that's on one of those plans, let's say they're paying full price, you're reimbursing them, whatever, but let's say something happens health-wise and they're out of network. Like, it's more likely that you're going to have problems, and your employees are going to run into problems, which then it's going to reflect on you because you're paying for the insurance and it's all linked, and there's going to be things that are out of pocket, and here your employee is going to be left with this big surprise, and in reality you're just trying to help by paying for it, right? So working with somebody like me as your health insurance agent for your small business, I'm able to access plans that are not on the marketplace. So plans that are not accessible to everybody, and they're not available to everybody. And normally people don't know about these. And so what these plans do is they get, we underwrite, we take the person's health into consideration. So they're not going to be for everybody, but for a lot of people, we're able to do really, get really good results with these plans. They're PPO, they can travel all over the nation on these plans, and they're gonna have the same coverage, so they're very less likely to be out of network, so that means less surprises for them and less surprises for you if something happens to them. They're just gonna be a lot happier. They're gonna get those out of network benefits, so they might even get money back when they go and use their annual physical benefit, and they'll be so happy that they get that money back. It's gonna go straight to them. If they have dental, if they have vision, they're just gonna feel like they're getting a big benefit for working for you. And in reality, you don't have to do extra work or really deal with it, because that's what I do. I deal with it directly to them. They have my cell phone in their phone. I have all my clients do that, and they can text me if they ever have a question. They're gonna feel like they get that personalized touch and that it's a real added benefit to them. And you don't have to worry about having them on the marketplace and doing the wrong thing as far as the financial part, or having one of these risks of them being out of network, or doing something with the subsidy that they're not supposed to be doing. Whether your team size is just you or whether you have a team of anywhere under 25 employees, I would love to connect with you. Reach out to me on alexthehelpagent.com, or you can follow me on Instagram. I've got lots of great videos for small business owners, small law firm owners that will help you understand a little bit about what I do, and I'd be happy to help you. My services are free of charge. The insurance companies pay me, and so you don't have to pay me, and just consider me your outsourced HR benefits administrator. And if you like this video and you have a friend, small business owner that might find it helpful, please share this video, and also please hit the like and subscribe and comment.